Hormones and loss of sex drive. The most important aspect is to understand how your body works. You have an automatic nervous system. Sympathetic means fight or flight or stress. Parasympathetic is the rest, digest, and repair. And this is involved, both of them are involved in the sex drive. We used to call it pointing and shooting. Okay, so pointing is the parasympathetic, that's the arousal. That's why if you're going to get romantic, okay, you don't play hard rock music and go skydiving. Okay, you get soft lights, soft music, that stimulates the parasympathetic. Now, also, if someone is in a chronic state of stress, that means that they cannot get into that parasympathetic state. So there's going to be a problem with the arousal. If they're in a chronic sympathetic dominant state, you're talking premature ejaculations, it's not going to work right. Okay, so you've got to get in a balanced harmonic state. Now, hormones, we are exposed to so many hormones that are toxic. They're called endocrine disruptors. And these are things that are like hormones, but not really hormones. They actually damage and toxify the system. So some of the best things that you can do, like for males, check your sleep patterns. For females, check your sleep patterns. Make sure you're getting your autonomic nervous system in alignment so you have a good balance between sympathetic and parasympathetic. That's the key. Poor sleep patterns is the key. Sleep is a chemical stressor. Now for hormones, look at all the things you can do. I mean, like the hormone replacement theory, a lot of people call them bioidentical hormones. Okay, I'll tell you one thing, most of them are not identical for sure, okay, and they're not 100% available, so that's a lie right there. Our bioidentical hormones that we have at our clinic in Mexico, they're made from the wild Mexican yam, which is fantastic. And you could do wild Mexican yam. The derivatives that we have are a little bit more specific. Black cohosh is really good. But really look at the absolute cause of the problem, which is going to be physical, chemical, or emotional stress. You identify the cause, and then you're going to have a normal function and normal physiology.